All right, results now. To be doing a challenge video, a 48-hour challenge video. You guys have been requesting more 24-hour challenges, week challenges, like challenge videos, stuff like that. So I did one. So I thought it was perfect timing. I've been seeing all over TikTok. Why am I talking like this? Girl, take it from 100 down to maybe 80. Me every day. All over TikTok, this internal shower drink. I was like, I want to try it. I love chia seeds. And I was dealing with, if you guys haven't been following me, if you have, you're probably going to think this is annoying by now, but I've been dealing with stomach issues at this time. I've already completed the challenge and everything like that. You can probably see it in my face. Just look more healthier. I feel healthier. If you want to know anything about it or like my diagnosis and like just like an in-depth of what, I'm just gonna link that vlog down below of like me going to the doctor and everything like that and saying everything. But basically I felt like my intestines were twisted up, didn't know why, but yet I was drinking every weekend. I was eating like absolute crap. I was eating out like 6 times a week, just drinking, like putting fast food on fast food. That is why. So like something like this is good for like a cleanse, but it isn't like a cure, you know what I mean? Okay, it's good to cleanse it out, but I still need to change my lifestyle. If you see these kinds of things like a quick fix, just like incorporate things like that, like a cleanse, like a healthy cleanse, like chia seeds, getting more nutrients in your body is a good thing, and fiber, but you also need to change your lifestyle, and I have done that. So I'm saying now I am so much healthier. I want to show you these clips of me doing this challenge, and then afterwards I'll come back and tell you guys my thoughts and results and before and after, but I'm going to show you guys the challenge right now. Here you go. Okay, now there's a couple recipes for this, so if I'm doing a little bit wrong, you know, blame TikTok. I also just dropped this lemon and it literally we are not gonna use this one. Gag. I have another one. Yeah. Ooh. I was gonna go like this, and now that one's off, like gonna break too. Can't even see it. No, I didn't wash it, whatever. Just gonna slice it. Ooh, she looks good. Smells yummy. Minimal seeds. It's not my recipe, but I search recipes and this is like the one that I found that was the most common. So you take 2 tablespoons. I'm gonna do like heaping tablespoons of chia seeds. There's 1. Obviously we can count. And 2. I used to really like chia seeds. This is what chia seeds look like. I just got mine at Bulk Barn because I could choose how much I wanted and they were very cheap. We're looking for seeds. We're looking for chia seeds.
There isn't any. There's something wrong.
There's literally a whole thing of that. I'll take it all. Just kidding.
Do that.
This is how small they are. They're very fine. And they kind of look like little ants or something, or I don't know. And then this is where I'm like, pretty sure, 6 ounces of water. This is 6 ounces of water. That's it. I feel like we should do a little more. There. That's what it looks like. I know it looks kind of gross. Oh wait, we forgot the lemon. You're gonna squeeze in half a lemon. Oof. Hopefully this helps my stomach. I also have started some medication. Apparently I have gastritis, so we'll see what happens with this. Like, I can't stir with this. What is wrong with me? A chopstick always comes in handy, and this looks disgusting. I'm gonna let that sit for 5 minutes. It literally looks like the bottom of a pond, but we're gonna let it sit for 5 minutes and I'll be back. I hope I did this right. Not sure how fast you're supposed to gulp this puppy down, but it has turned to, let me stir it up. Ooh, you can feel like it's really like gelatinous now. I happen to like chia seeds. I like chia pudding, so it's a good way to get fiber, water. Like, yes, it looks bad, but you can see it has like doubled in size and it's like very squishy. Looks like Orbeez or some shit. Smells like lemon. Let's give it a go. Like that. There's a better look of it. I know some people are like eh, when they drink this, but wait, I'm just gonna stir it up one more time because it is really separating. It's supposed to keep you fuller for longer and just cleanse you out. Yum. It tastes really good. Like I said, I really like chia seeds. I love water and I love lemon water. And if this is good for me, helping with inflammation, I'm here for it. I will drink this whole thing. I don't know how to describe the texture. It's like, well, the flavor is lemon. It's kind of like, I was gonna say boba, but not. Like crunchy boba, small little crunchy bobas. Because it's got that like slimy texture, but it's got that crunch. That's the best way I can describe it. Nice hair, girl. Okay, so then this was the next day. Hello, beautiful people. I just woke up, so I might look puffy in my face, but my bloating and swelling has went down so much. I have a lot more energy. I don't feel the pain anymore. I don't know if it's because of the meds that are working or if it's because of this cleanse, but I have been having regular bowel movements. We don't need to be like grossed out about bowel movements, but I'm using, oh my god, I just grabbed this at the same time. Ah! We're gonna do it again. We know the drill, but I figured I would start my day with this. I'm not gonna do this every day. I'm just gonna do this for like the 48 hours, 2 days in a row. I'm doing 2 heaping spoons again of chia seeds. I love chia seeds. Also, this was like one of my favorite drinks. Like I would order this. Like it was so good. 6 cups of, or 6 ounces of water. Oh, sorry, you can't even see. I did a little bit more of water because it doesn't hurt to have more water. Water's good for you, right? And then my half a lemon from yesterday, it just tasted so good. Maybe because I just like these flavors together, but also I've been eating veggies, salad, home cooked chicken, rice, shit at home. Like I think that also has to do with it. You know, there's no easy cure or fix to anything, you know? Diet is like a lifestyle, but making small changes and then doing like a cleanse is nothing bad, right? Did I put enough water? God, I really like this drink. I think I'm gonna put a little bit more water. I love how they fluff up too. So this versus them expanded. This is what it looks like. You can see the big difference, right? Like yes, it looks bad, but you can see it has like doubled in size. You can just see how much they grow. I showed it to all my friends and they were like, what are you doing? Like, leave this off to the side for 5 minutes. Here's the before and after. Just gonna give it a little mixy poo. I would suggest after like maybe 2 or 3 minutes mixing it. I let it sit for about 7 minutes. Yum. Also, this filled me up during the day. I didn't snack at all yesterday. I just had lunch and then supper. It just like fills you up with good fiber. This is what it looks like. I promise. So it doesn't taste like that. It looks like a rocks. Like I said, nothing's like a fix or a cure, and you have to stick with things. So like I can't just do this and then, you know, expect everything to be gravy. I have to actually like follow through and continue to eat healthy. I think that's the key to life, you know, and health. Okay, so results. I was still eating like not the greatest. I was slowly converting to eating good, but not eating as good as I am like today, let's say. I had noticed definitely more energy. I was waking up earlier in the day and I was having regular bowel movements, poops. I got my corset back on. Literally, I couldn't even put my corset on. I know a lot of you don't like the corset, but I could not put it on for the life of me. I finally have it on. My stomach was so bloated. So I'm gonna show you guys right here. Here's a little before and after. Okay, so I wanna show you how bloated I am. It's like, it hurts. My stomach is so distended. So basically, like you guys have seen my stomach lots. It doesn't look like this, but it's getting worse and worse. So it looks like this. And then from the side here, it literally looks like I am pregnant. Like it looks like I'm pregnant. It hurts. It's very firm. My stomach hurts right now. So I'm gonna try this. I hope it works. I hope it gets stuff flowing. It hurts, is all I can say. You know, if I'm wearing regular clothes like this, I've been wearing baggy clothes, can't really tell. If I'm wearing something like this, can't really tell that much, but it really hurts and it's hard to like get comfy or sleep at night. It feels like hard, like it feels like there's a lump in it. So we're gonna try to get rid of this. This after is about just over a week and a half to 2 weeks after of healthy eating, combining this internal shower, gym, a healthier lifestyle in general, and the medication. I have currently now, as we're talking, stopped the medication because I don't need it. So here are my results with all of that combined. Remember that. It's not just this drink that has made these results happen. It's just an additive. Remember that. All right, results. Now, I put on the same hoodie. The pants, I can't find my red ones right now, but these are the exact same material, brand, or the exact same, just in pink. So I thought this would do. Here are my results after. This is also with clean eating and diet. This is not me sucking in or anything like that. I think the results are pretty remarkable. I can already see like my shape coming back. That's like incredible. So it's not just the shower drink. I've been going to the gym and I've been eating better, but that did like kind of kickstart it. I did fall off for a couple days, but for the most part, like this is healthy eating as well, so I want to stress that. I can already see like my shape coming back, so I feel a lot better. Yay! You are what you eat. I had really regular bowel movements, and I could actually see little chia seeds in my bowel movements. Kind of gross, but whatever. That's it is what it is. And it tasted really good, and it did keep me full for a long period of time with good fiber and good things, you know. I feel like it did help cleanse, but I also needed to work on like fully cleansing my own diet rather than having like a drink do it for me, which I have done, and I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. Basically, I was drinking too much, I was eating too much shit, so everything now is gonna be in moderation. I'm actually probably gonna make that drink because it was so good and it helped my bowel movements, like, and they were like big poops and they were good poops, like, you know, like the good poops, not like the, anyway, enough about poop. So I just feel a lot better just changing my whole lifestyle all around. I'm not saying I'm never gonna drink again. I'm not saying I'm not gonna eat Denny's and Denny's? Ew! Shout out Denny's, like what the I am back at the gym, drinking more water, just being more in tune with my body because my body was literally telling me something's off. So I'm glad I did this. It is something good to try. Always consult with your doctor. I'm not a doctor, I'm not a physician, I'm not a nutritionist. So make sure that you consult with them before, you know, doing any kind of like hack or challenge you see on the internet. Just as a little disclaimer. I hope you guys have a good day. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys like this challenge. I look like miserable in those clips. I look miserable because I'm sick. Like, I'm literally sick. I'm literally poisoning myself with like alcohol and fast food and shit, and like I think that this is gonna be like a fix and a help. It did help, but I needed to fully help myself, you know? So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and maybe you give it a try. If you do, send it to me on Instagram or Twitter. And I love you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a good day. Bye!